Remove the cover at the rear main body of the angle grinder where the carbon brush is located. Using a small flat screwdriver, unclip the stopper and remove the connector, then pull out the carbon brush from its holder. Insert the new pair of carbon brush. Don't worry, all our Powerhouse angle grinders comes with a free 2 pieces carbon brush inside the packaging box. Reverse the process of step 2 by putting back the clip stopper and inserting the connector to the terminal pin. Attach the carbon brush cover and tighten the screw in place. Now your Powerhouse angle grinder looks good as new and runs even more smoothly. It's time to get the job done.